I'm Al Ladd. I'm a full-time woodworker here in Coleraine. I've been making jewelry boxes, cutting woods, and other fine items from wood as my full-time livelihood for over 35 years. I make beautiful functional things out of wood. I strive to make objects that are distinctly different from similar objects made by others. I use the best tool for the job at hand, disregarding sentimentality or romance. Sometimes that means a sharp hand plane, and sometimes that means a table saw or a computer-controlled router. Making work in multiples allows me to make objects fit for royalty that are affordable for the average American. I reach towards classical beauty, but with novel twists in form, material, or surface design. I try to imbue the reverence I feel for the material I'm working with into the finished pieces. The world is filled with stuff. Whether a simple bookmark, a kitchen cutting board, or a luxurious jewelry cabinet, I want the owner's friends to ask them, "Where did you get that?" And I want the owner of the work to experience a moment of pleasure every time they use the item I made for them.